Skier. Imagine waking up one random morning in 2026, opening your laptop, and realizing that your entire business fits inside one screen. No office, no team meetings, no boss checking your hours. Just you, your ideas, and a few powerful AI tools quietly working for you in the background. And the craziest part is, this isn't some future dream or tech fantasy. This is already happening right now for people who decided to move early. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how I would build a one-person AI business in 2026, step by step from zero, even if I had no audience, no special degree, and no big startup budget. If you've ever felt stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure how to actually make money with AI, instead of just watching videos about it, stay with me, because this might completely change how you see online income. Before we go any further, if you enjoy content about building income with AI, working smarter instead of harder, and creating real side hustles that can turn into full-time freedom, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the AI Side Hustle channel. It really helps the channel grow, and it tells the algorithm to show this video to more people who need it. Alright, let's get into it. If I was starting from scratch in 2026, the first thing I would do is stop chasing complicated business models. No dropshipping chaos, no expensive ads, no inventory, no burnout culture. I would focus on building a one-person AI business that is simple, scalable, and designed around leverage. That means I want my time to matter more than my hours. AI is perfect for this because it replaces repetition, speeds up creation, and lets one person do the work of an entire small team. The mindset shift is important here. I wouldn't ask, what business should I start? I would ask, what problem already exists, and how can AI help me solve it faster, cheaper, or better than before? Every successful one-person AI business starts with a boring problem, not a flashy idea. Businesses make money by solving pain, not by being exciting. So the first phase of my business would be clarity day. I would spend a few days researching real problems people already pay for. Not hypotheticals, not trends. Real services with demand. Things like content creation for small businesses, short-form video editing, blog writing, email marketing, lead generation, social media scheduling, customer support automation, resume optimization, online course creation, and simple website building. These are not new problems. That's exactly why they work. Once I identify one problem, I would niche down aggressively. Instead of saying, I help businesses with AI, I would say something like, I help real estate agents get more leads using AI-generated content. Or I help local service businesses automate their Instagram with AI too. Or I help coaches turn their ideas into online courses using AI. Narrow niches convert better, charge higher prices, and are easier to dominate as a solo creator. Now, here's where AI becomes the unfair advantage. In 2026, I wouldn't try to be an expert in everything. I would let AI handle 70 to 80% of the execution. Tools like AI writing assistants, video generators, voiceover tools, image generators, CRM automations, and chatbots would become my invisible team. My job wouldn't be doing the work. My job would be designing the system. For example, if I chose content creation as my service, I wouldn't manually write every blog post or caption. I would create prompt systems. I would build templates. I would train AI with brand voice samples. I would set up workflows where a client gives me one idea, and AI turns it into blogs, emails, social posts, and scripts within minutes. That's how one person handles multiple clients without burning out. In the early days, I wouldn't overbuild anything. No fancy website. No complex funnels. I would start with a simple landing page, maybe even just a Notion page or a one-page website. Clear promise, clear result, clear call to action. People don't care how advanced your system is. They care about outcomes. Pricing is another place where most beginners mess up. I wouldn't charge hourly. Hourly pricing kills scale. I would charge for results or deliverables. Monthly retainers would be my goal. Something predictable. Something stable. Even 5 clients paying $1,000 a month is already $5,000 with very low overhead. That's a real business, not a side hustle fantasy. To get those first clients, I wouldn't wait for perfection. I would use platforms where attention already exists. Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn. And yes, this is where AI side hustle as a brand comes in. I would document the journey publicly. I wouldn't pretend to be a guru. I would share what I'm building, what's working, what's failing, and what I'm learning. Authentic progress attracts the right people. Short-form content would be a big part of my strategy. In 2026, attention is short, but volume is powerful. AI makes it easy to repurpose content. One idea can become 10 posts. One video can become clips, tweets, captions, and emails. I would focus on consistency over perfection. One post every day beats one perfect post every month. At the same time, I would build one long-form asset. For me, that would be YouTube. Long-form content builds trust. It increases watch time. It attracts higher quality clients. A channel like AI Side Hustle isn't just content. It's a lead machine, a brand, and a long-term asset. Even if monetization starts slow, the compounding effect is massive. While content runs in the background, I would optimize delivery. This is where most one-person businesses either scale or collapse. I would use project management tools powered by AI to track tasks, deadlines, and feedback. I would use automated onboarding, automated invoices, automated follow-ups. The less manual work, the better. One mistake I wouldn't make is trying to build everything at once. First comes service income. Services create cash flow. Cash flow creates freedom. Freedom allows experimentation. Only after stable income would I think about digital products, courses, templates, or SaaS ideas. Too many people skip step 1 and wonder why nothing works. Once the service is stable, I would start productizing it, turning custom work into repeatable packages, fixed scopes, clear timelines. This makes delivery easier and client expectations cleaner. Over time, I would collect common questions, common problems, and common requests. These become content ideas, product ideas, and upsells. By this stage, my one-person AI business wouldn't feel like hustle anymore. It would feel like a system. Clients come in, work gets processed, AI handles the heavy lifting. I focus on strategy, communication, and growth. This is where burnout disappears. In 2026, trust will be more valuable than skill. Everyone will have access to AI. Not everyone will know how to use it responsibly and effectively. I would position myself as a guide, not just a tool user. Someone who understands business context, not just prompts. Another thing I would do early is build an email list. Social platforms change, algorithms shift. Email is stable. Even a small list is powerful. I would offer something simple and valuable. A checklist, a free prompt pack, a short guide. AI can help create these quickly, but the value comes from clarity, not length. As the audience grows, monetization options multiply. Sponsorships, affiliate tools, consulting, premium communities. But I wouldn't chase all of them. Focus keeps the business lightweight. The goal is freedom, not complexity. Let's talk about mindset for a moment, because this is where most people quit. There will be days with 0 views, 0 replies, 0 sales. That doesn't mean it's not working, it means it's early. I would treat the first 6 months as planting season. No expectations, just consistent action. AI makes execution faster, but patience is still human. I would also avoid comparing myself to big creators. Different stages, different resources. Comparison kills momentum. Progress beats perfection every time. One underrated advantage of a one-person AI business is location freedom. I wouldn't need to live in an expensive city. I wouldn't need permission to take a break. As long as the system runs, life becomes flexible. That's the real reward. As the business matures, I would refine instead of expand. Better clients, higher pricing. Fewer hours, that's the direction. Growth doesn't always mean more. Sometimes it means less, but better. Close to the end of this journey, I would look back and realize that the hardest part wasn't learning AI tools. It was believing that one person is enough. In 2026, leverage beats labor. Systems beat hustle and clarity beats noise. If you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. And now I want to hear from you. In the comments, tell me what kind of one-person AI business you would want to build in 2026. Or what's currently holding you back. Read the comments too, because you'll find people on the same path as you. And if this video helped you see AI business in a clearer, more realistic way, share it with someone who's tired of traditional jobs and looking for a smarter path forward. Thanks for watching, thanks for supporting AI Side Hustle, and I'll see you in the next one.